So today I'm going to take you through the Gusto Payroll software as a demo account so you can actually see some of the ins and outs of the software, how it kind of functions, and some of the different settings and features and things that it offers for you as well. As somebody who's been using it for over 6 years, it's definitely one that I absolutely love. I have separate reviews, tutorials, and everything about it, which I'll link up all in the show notes down below for you so you can go ahead and check out. And as we're going through this on the desktop, I do also want to let you know, if you want to sign up, I will have a special partner link for you in the show notes down below, as well as possibly somewhere on the screen with a QR code. If you use that link, you're going to get a nice sign up bonus for running your first payroll. And it does help us out too, so we can make more free content just like this for you. So let's go ahead and hop over here into our actual desktop for us. Now, one thing I just want to let you know right over here, you can see we actually have our 6-year anniversary with using Gusto, which is fantastic. So just as a quick heads up, I ended up finding Gusto because I was doing payroll by hand, which is torture, honestly. Like, it is just so much torture. And so I felt like I just needed to find something that worked, and Gusto just provided so much for me and then some. And so let's go ahead and kind of just talk a little bit about the home page here for us. You can actually see here on the left-hand side, we are currently on the home page. Now, this isn't one particular tutorial. This is just kind of giving you an overview, right? Whether you currently are using a payroll software or are wanting to get into one for the very first time, I'm going to show you some of the functionalities, how this kind of works, and going into these different spaces. So we always have our tasks here at the very top. And one of the things I did want to mention, we're at the end of the current year. And so what happens is there's a lot of things we got to do when it comes to the end of the year. We got to make sure home addresses are correct. We got to make sure we added everybody into payroll before the end of the year. All of these different things that here on Gusto actually give us this information, which I love. I love this. This is an important thing for me because as a business owner, I got so many things going on that I got to make sure I am getting all of my stuff done. So for example, we need to make sure if there were any additional contractors we're going to be adding to Gusto, we got to do that by a certain time. Now, this is the due date just based off of us getting things done. So for example, we're going to click on let's do this. And in here, if we wanted to add additional people, we can easily do so. Now we could also add regular employees as well. This one is just for contractors, just in case maybe it was out of sight, out of mind for a little bit. Gusto gave us that really great reminder. Now we didn't need to add anybody else for this year. So we're going to click on done. And then yes, I am done for this calendar year when it comes to generating new contractors to help make sure they get their 1099s, which is a huge factor, right? So we actually have this contractor over here on this demo account. So right over here, you can see it says worker type. It is a contractor. They're going to get the 1099 automatically from Gusto after everything we paid them out in this last calendar year. I don't have to do anything else, just making sure that one, they're in Gusto, and two, I was going to do 3 numbers, but 2, that all of their information on Gusto is up to date as well, which they sometimes will ask for as well. So I'm gonna go back over here to the homepage so you could see that other task has been removed. Now we could also do some quick tax checkups, making sure that all of the payroll processes that are done outside of Gusto are also accounted for as well. So that's really nice. We're not going to go through all of these here today for the tasks. I just wanted to show one as a means of how Gusto supports us as a small business owner, because again, I have so many things that go on that it's hard to remember everything I need to do. Now, one other really nice thing up here towards the very top, there is a search functionality. So if there's something in particular you're looking for Gusto, even though their user interface is nice and clean, you can always search up here as well too to find the information. Maybe you're looking for certain tax documents that you have. Maybe you're needing to find a certain employee because you got a ton of them. You can just jump right over here very quickly without having to go into multiple steps to find that information. Now, if you had any payments in progress, you can see those right over here. Sometimes you maybe are setting up ahead of time. Maybe you're doing things automatically. So you'll see those. Maybe any upcoming payrolls that you need to pay attention to, or celebrations like my 6-year work anniversary here, as well as any additional recommendations. So if you have things like maybe wanting to go with human resources or 401ks or getting a health plan coming up, the recommendations will show up there as well. Now, the majority of everything else we're looking at here today is on this left-hand side of the screen here for you. So we kind of showcased a little bit in the people section. I'm going to click back in here. And again, we're going to see the employees. This is just a nice demo account to make things a lot easier, not have to blur a lot of stuff out. You could see an organization chart. You could see onboarding, offboarding, dismissed, and collaborators. This is just really nice and simple. And again, you can search for team members here or even up in the search bar as well. You can add new people, and then you can also go from here from a template if you want to go ahead and add former employees or even adding multiple employees at one time. They just give you everything that you need kind of in hand so you can go through these processes. Honestly, there's been times where they reminding me about things I should be doing without even, actually doing it myself, because they have everything in the process, right? So when I'm hiring somebody, if I forgot to have certain documents signed, like they make sure that I get those documents signed from the people that are coming onto my team, which is a really good thing. And you don't want to miss that paperwork, especially when it comes to making sure, state laws and tax laws that are all being abided by. Gusto helps you in that process. Beautiful, beautiful setup there for us. Now for the next section here is the pay section. Now, this is obviously for actually running payroll, which we're not doing right now. I do have separate videos on how to run your payroll through Gusto. I'll post that in the show notes down below for you. You can go ahead and check out. It's obviously free, and I'll even post it at the end of this video as well. Now, you can also pay your contractors. You can also pay non-US contractors, which is, I believe, a little bit newer here in this journey with using Gusto. You could do off-cycle payrolls. Maybe you want to give somebody a really nice bonus. You could even run your extra pay bonus as well. And then you could also fix any payroll mistakes as well. Gusto also has this really cool thing where you can do next day deposits or 2-day deposits if you're kind of either forgot to run your payroll, because that can happen, or you absolutely needed to wait until the last minute to run that payroll. Those sometimes do come with additional costs and certain levels of their membership. And by membership, I mean their tiers for subscription. It's just something to kind of keep in mind there for you. And this is also a little bit newer. The Payroll Bridge, I believe, is something that just recently came out. Not something I necessarily would be looking for, but in case you absolutely needed some sort of line of credit when it comes to paying your payroll, you can actually go through this as a backup setup, which is really nice, right? If that's something you're going to need, you're going to have the availability directly in Gusto. It is with a third party from there, but at least it's kind of really well integrated in that process as well. So next up here on the left-hand side is reports. Just kind of going into this one for just a quick moment here for you. So these reports are going to be really nice. You got some visuals if you really wanted to. And then we also have things like our 1099s, payroll journals, as well as any customer reports that we might want to see. Maybe we want to see a particular set of employees and how much they got paid in a certain time frame. Maybe you're looking at your busy season. Maybe you want to see, what it's like for your top executive team to be getting paid during, the holidays or during the slow time of the year, and just get an idea of like what's working and what's not working with your payroll. Even seeing trends, right? Like if maybe one employee is somehow getting a lot more hours every single week, and maybe, you're seeing that income coming up quite a bit more when it comes to expenses, you could see those trends as well. And then down here at the bottom, you can find reports by your search, or on the top again, because it's just a good reminder for you. And then whatever categories they're in as well. So you can see contractor information, cash requirements, benefits deductions, like pretty much like you can get nitty gritty with this stuff if you really wanted to. But what's also great with Gusto is that if you just want to kind of get the basics done, run your payroll, it's got that for you, but it has all of these additional things you can do to really get into the numbers for your small business that can make a huge impact, right? Like, again, maybe somebody's accidentally putting in too much time into their payroll, and so all of a sudden you're paying somebody way more than you were supposed to. And in here in the reports, it gives you that information. Now, next up is taxes and compliance. And I would actually say that this is one of the biggest things that I love with Gusto is they're always adding things to take away pain points for me and pain points for small business owners. Now, obviously these are overdue, but they are not tasks I need to do for this account. But you can see here, making sure we have labor law posters. And in my past, I would have to go to different companies and do that. Now I could do it directly into Gusto. And same thing with offering compensation insurance on, the state that I'm in, which is Arizona. So you just go through the process of getting those started, and they have it all set up for you. Making sure that your taxing accounts are proper and set up, and making sure you're paying your taxes properly from Gusto to whatever state or federal requirements there are based off of where you obviously are doing business from. They also have tools to help you really kind of go through this process. So it's really nice and easy to just understand what is needing to be done, even if things like taxes and compliance get really overwhelming, because they do for me as well. And honestly, Gusto makes it just so incredibly easy and simple for us as well too. You can even see here any upcoming payments, any filings that need to be done as well too, how much we paid in, what is required from us as well too, and super easy. Now, Gusto also has a time and attendance tab now as well too. And I will be real, I don't actually use this even for my main Gusto account. Again, this is just more of a demo to kind of help showcase some things. So even in that account, I don't personally use this as much. But if you are somebody who's been paying for accounting, or not accounting, sorry, scheduling software, they have this integrated. Now, it will cost you more in that subscription, but most likely cheaper than what you're paying for now. And the fact that it's integrated with actual payroll, it really goes hand in hand. It's a great connection there as well. You could actually try it for free, which is always a nice thing. You can have your time off schedule of like how that works for people requesting time off, time tracking, and then your scheduling all in one place. Super, super nice. I think Gusto keeps doing a great job of integrating new features and benefits that will actually help me save time and energy when it comes to either condensing some software and subscriptions or even just the tasks that I need to take care of at all times. Now, I mentioned earlier too that Gusto has a benefits section, and this is really cool too. So you can see here, it helps you open up 401ks. It helps you with giving health benefits to your employees, commuter benefits as well. And you could even see here under these different sections, you could even go a little bit deeper as well. So like for finance, maybe you want to do more than just a 401k. You can also do a wallet benefit for commuters. Like I said earlier, you can also do company cars or commuter benefits of, hey, you're going to ride your bike in, you get a certain stipend for that. Or you can also do custom benefits like charity or phone or gym or fitness. Really cool things that honestly are really easy to set up in here. Some of these will require you to connect with somebody from Gusto to have conversations about based off of your employee count, the things that you're trying to achieve, and then kind of go through those processes. And so it's all integrated directly here into Gusto, and they do a great job of that connection because not all of them are from Gusto themselves. They're kind of a third-party connection for you with those companies, but having it all in-house, it's so nice. Gusto does a great job with their customer service. So when it comes to being able to get supported, I love if I need to use something as a software service, I like to make sure that it's connected inside of my Gusto account for my business. Now, next up here on the left-hand side is going to be our documents section. Now, again, you can either search by documents down here or in your search bar. And I keep mentioning that because this is just one less step up here at the very top, especially when you log into your account. So just be able to click in there and check what you're looking for in a flash. Now, over here too, you can see employee eligibility for your forms that are I-9, your tax withholdings, which are your W-4s, any direct deposit authorization. All of those documents live in here. You don't need them in separate folders. You don't need to have it on your like Google documents or anything else. Everything is just housed perfectly in here. And then anything you might need to archive if you're done with that employee, usually they'll just have that moved automatically as well. And so it just makes things really nice and easy. So that way you can be ready to go when you are looking for certain documents for yourself or for employees or for the company as a whole. Now, there is one additional tab over here at the very bottom called Money. And this is mostly for your employees. If they're either somebody that doesn't have a bank account themselves, they can actually use what they call Gusto Money, which essentially helps them get paid directly from Gusto into an account that they can utilize effectively as a bank. It's kind of like a pseudo bank of sorts. But I'm not going to go too much into this because for the back end on that, it's really kind of separated for more of the employee rather than the employer side like yourself that is here wanting to see how a demo version of this account works and how it looks like in the back end. For myself using this for 6 years, well, this is my demo account for 6 years, but I've been also running a regular Gusto account for about the exact same time. And for me, the features, the benefits, the user interface has always been this clean, this easy to use, something that is very necessary in your business to be able to pay properly, make sure you're in compliance with federal and state laws, and just everything that kind of comes in with running a business. They take a lot off of my hands in that section. So it's definitely something I recommend because like I said earlier, if you want to go ahead and check them out, I'll have my special partner link, which you can check out, get a nice bonus for running your first payroll. And it does help us out to make more videos like this. So you can see the back end of Gusto and other business tools as well. But I did promise you that if you want to see more of the Gusto stuff, rather than just the demo, but actually like running payroll or adding in employees or even paying yourself, I have all of those in a whole series. I'll link up in the show notes down below. And I'll also do you one big favor and toss up one of those videos right over here for you on screen. So you can actually dive in deeper when it comes to using Gusto as your payroll software.